it's Emma with Really Simple Recipes, and today we're going to be making homemade sugar-free apple puree. This is another really simple recipe that's quick to do. There's no refined sugar in this, it is all your natural sugars, and it's a lovely recipe to use as an alternative in some of your baking. Use apple puree as a replacement in my crumbles rather than using your fats. So instead of using, for example, your plant-based butters or your coconut oil, apple puree is a really good alternative. If you look in the top corner, there will be a link to one of my crumbles that I've made. So please do go and have a look at that. It is really interesting because the good thing about the crumble, there's no refined sugar, it's all your natural sugars. So it is a really nice recipe to do. Let's get started. So first of all, I'll run through the ingredients with you. So we have a bit of cinnamon, water, and also apples. So what I've done first of all, I have already sliced my apples. I've left the peels on and decored them as well. So if you've got one of those handy tools, they can be really useful even though they can be hard work. Trust me, I've got the marks on my hands to prove it. What we're looking for is your apples cut into about slices of 8. So you can use any apples that are in your fruit bowl. So these ones are your Braeburn. All I'll say is you don't want to use your brownie apples, your cooking apples. They can be a little bit sour for your apple puree. So I've just got a Braeburn in here. You can use any that you like, mix it up, have a go, see what other flavours work for you. So first of all, we're going to add the cinnamon into the apples. Give them a bit of a mix round. It's totally up to you with regards to cinnamon. You can pop cinnamon in, or you can try different ones like nutmeg is a good one you could possibly try. You know, again, it's personal preference, it's personal taste. Play about with it, have a bit of fun with it and see what you like. And that is it for your apples. And what we need to do now, we're going to pop them into a pan. Make sure we get that cinnamon out. Water in there. What we're going to do now is pop it onto the stove onto a medium heat for around 20 minutes. If they've gone soft and mushy before that time, just pull them off. So pop your lid on and then pop it onto your stove. Okay, now my apples are done. They're steaming quite nicely, so you can see there how much smushy they've gone. Perfect. I'm now gonna use my immersion blender and just blend them up. Personal preference again, you can leave it as lumpy as you want, or you can really mush it up. Just be warned, it is going to be very, very hot as you've just been on the stove, so please be careful. You can use a normal blender for this. The reason I use an immersion blender, it saves transferring the hot product into a plastic container or a glass container, and it just means that it's going to be safer doing it in the pan. Let's get going. It's as simple as that. Homemade sugar-free apple puree. All we need to do now is just wait for it to cool down, and then we'll pop it into a storage container and stick it in the fridge, and it will last for up to 2 weeks. If you've enjoyed my video today, please do give me a like. And if you're new to my channel and you would like to see more of my really simple recipes, please do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell. If you've got any comments, any feedback, or you try different spices like your nutmeg or your mixed spices and you would like to leave your feedback, pop that below as well, and I'll be more than happy to see those comments and get back to you. Thank you for watching my video today.